In this video, you'll launch ideCAD Structural and start a new project prepared specifically for steel building design. Next, you'll explore how to use the project wizard to configure country-specific design codes, including seismic, wind, and load combinations such as ASCE 7 to 16. Then, you'll learn how to set the steel design standard, choosing between LRFD or ASD methods under AISC 360 to 16. After that, we'll walk through selecting the appropriate unit system, whether metric kilonewton or imperial. You'll also define bolt standards and choose from American or European section libraries for detailed steel modeling. And finally, you'll adjust background and interface preferences before completing the setup, ready to begin structural modeling with all key parameters in place. Let's start by creating a new project and adjusting its settings. First, when you double-click on the ideCAD Structural icon on your desktop, this window will appear. As you can see, this window generally displays your most recently used projects along with various software resources. You can directly access your recent projects by double-clicking on any of them. On the left vertical toolbar, you can see the New Project and Open Project commands. You can use these two commands to start a project from scratch or open an existing file. Below that, you'll find the Help section, where you can access detailed information about the software. Since ideCAD Structural Training for Reinforced Concrete Design covers these menus in detail, I won't go over them today. If a software update is available, you'll see it in the Update section. At the bottom, in the Resources section, you'll find useful materials such as video tutorials, written guides, and tutorial lists, especially helpful for beginners. Quick access shortcuts to these resources are available here. You can also access the user forum, where you can ask questions, exchange ideas, and view project discussions among users. Additionally, you can request personalized demos and contact the support team through this menu. On the right-hand side, you'll see the latest announcements. Now, I will begin by selecting New Project. In the first tab, there is an option to start with Wizard. The wizard is particularly useful during the design phase, as it helps you quickly and accurately set up analysis parameters and seismic codes. A quick note, this option becomes active when you select either the United States or Turkey. The wizard supports ASCE and TBDY codes. If you have saved settings from previous projects, you can use the Start Settings option below. For now, I'll proceed with the new project and click Open. In the next tab, we select the country. The list includes international, USA, Turkey, Iraq, Indonesia, Dominican Republic, Thailand, Philippines, and Pakistan. Let's first check international. After selecting it, you can choose the unit system, metric ton, metric kilonewton, or imperial. I selected metric kilonewton. The background setting defines the program's default display theme. Options include white, black, and various gradient styles. I'll proceed with white and click Next. Since I selected international, the design code options on the next tab include IBC or UBC 97. For steel and connection design, you'll see AISC 360 to 16 with both ASD and LRFD options. For reinforced concrete, the software uses ACI 318 to 19, and for load and load combinations, it follows IBC. Wind loads are calculated according to EN 1991. I will go back and this time select USA. Then click Next. Here, you'll see the seismic code is ASCE 7 to 16. Steel design follows ISC 360 to 16 with both ASD and LRFD options, and reinforced concrete follows ACI 318-19. Loadings and combinations are based on American standards. Going back again, let's try Indonesia. I click Next. For Indonesia, you'll see country-specific seismic codes, 2 design options for steel structures, reinforced concrete standards, load combinations, and wind load codes. I'll go back and select USA, metric kilonewton, and Next again. I'll select ASCE 7 to 16 for seismic design and LRFD for steel design. Clicking Next brings us to both settings. You have the choice between metric, imperial, or both systems. Selecting both allows you to access both American and European bolt standards. For bolt grades and types, you can choose ISO, or use both by selecting the option below. For reinforced concrete rebar, you can choose between TSE and ASTM. In the steel section library, both European and American sections are available. I'll go with European and click Finish. The new project has now been created. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore the knowledge base for more tips. See you in the following video.